it's time to have with us. Please put your hands together on stage. Our अरे आगे सर थोड़ा शोर तो मचा दो यार everyone. And please make some noise for Veer Pahadia. Hi, how are you? और हमारे साथ हमारे incredible producer दिनेश विजन जी. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please make some noise for Mr. Amar Kaushik? A very warm welcome, sir. So with this, Akshay sir, मेरा सबसे पहला सवाल आपके साथ. You have portrayed.
प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस आप क्यों पूछ रहे हैं
सर क्योंकि मुझे कुछ सवाल दिए गए हैं उसके बाद मुझे बताया गया कि मीडिया को देना है तो
Okay.
मैं चाहूंगा कि मैं आपसे कुछ
ठीक है,
सवाल
आप
जरूर
पूछ लीजिए
पूछूं.
पहले.
कैसे हैं सर आप?
बस एकदम बढ़िया.
वेलकम इन दिल्ली सर. दिल्ली में आपका स्वागत है. Sir, you have portrayed many roles that celebrate courage and patriotism. Skyforce 2 tells a story of extraordinary bravery and sacrifice. What message do you think it sends to today's generation?
The most important message which goes out from this film is there's a dialogue, and also Indian Air Force believes that they pledge never to leave one of them behind. So that is the whole story behind them. ये अभी प्लेज अभी जो जैसा मैं बोल रहा हूँ वैसा उतना इफेक्टिव नहीं लगेगा जब तक आप फिल्म नहीं देखोगे. वो फिल्म के बाद आपको पता चलेगा what does exactly that means.
Absolutely looking forward. The next question is for Veer. Veer, making your debut with Skyforce is a big moment, of course, and playing squadron leader Devaya is a big responsibility. How does it feel to be a part of the film that not only marks your debut but also tells the story of a national hero? What was your prep for the film like?
Thank you for your question. It was a very big challenge and opportunity for me कि मुझे मौका मिला ये किरदार एक रियल लाइफ हीरो का किरदार निभाने का इस फिल्म में. स्क्वाड्रन लीडर ए.बी. देवैया एक ऐसे वीर थे जिन्होंने जो कुछ किया 1965 की जंग में वो सिर्फ 23 साल बाद दुनिया को पता चला और उनके परिवार को और वायुसेना को और भारत सरकार को पता चला. तो इट वाज माय गुड फॉर्चून और मेरे लिए बहुत सौभाग्य की बात है कि आई कुड प्ले दिस कैरेक्टर एंड वी वर ऑल्सो एबल टू मीट द फैमिली द वाइफ ऑफ स्क्वाड्रन लीडर ए.बी. देवैया लास्ट वीक. तो मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ओवरवेलमिंग मोमेंट था और बहुत प्राइड और बहुत ही रिस्पेक्ट के साथ हमने ये फिल्म बनाई है. एंड भगवान से यही आशा होगी और यही उनकी हमारी विश होगी कि सबको पसंद आए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, Veer. Thank you so much. मेरा अगला सवाल दिनेश सर के लिए. Sir, you're a visionary. You are known to deliver some of the classic cult slice of life films like Mimi, Bala, Luka Chuppi to rom-com. तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा दिया. Along with such mammoth success in the horror comedy genre with Stree 2. What can the viewers expect from Maddock films in 2025?
Good evening. It's always lovely to be in Delhi और हम हमेशा हमारी स्क्रीनिंग दिल्ली से चालू करते हैं. तो आज हम एक्चुअली दोपहर में एनसीसी के कितने हज़ार कैडेट थे उनके साथ हमने पिक्चर देखी एंड इट वाज रियली आई वाज जस्ट टेलिंग अक्षय सर इट वाज you know the maximum satisfaction for any filmmaker is the reaction you get just when the film gets over, and I think we could all feel it there. So we're very very proud of the film. What can you expect from this film? You know, you can expect beautiful emotions that we don't see in our everyday life, and our everyday life is normal and regular because of all of these really commendable human beings who protect our country. So it talks about, like they said, never leaving one of us behind. So they're all family for each other. It talks about honor among enemies, which I don't think as an emotion has been touched before. It talks about one man's journey. Sometimes instinct is stronger than fact, where he believed that what all the facts were adding up to don't make sense, and he trusted his heart. So it's also about trusting your heart and, you know, being there for a brother. So I think these are films we all relate to and, you know, really connect with, and I feel that the film is going to make you feel. बहुत टाइम से ऐसी पिक्चर नहीं आई है जो आपको इतना फील कराती है, आप एंटरटेन हुए हो. तो आई थिंक द फिल्म स्ट्रेंथ इज हाउ इट मेक्स यू फील एंड इट गिव्स ह्यूमैनिटी होप. सो आई वुड से दैट्स व्हाट्स स्पेशल अबाउट इट.
The next question is for Amar Kaushik sir. Sir, आपको हमेशा हमने डायरेक्टर की तरह देखा और इस मूवी में आपको प्रोड्यूसर की तरह हमारे साथ हैं. What was the challenge while producing the film?
तो जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी तो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी और मैंने इनको बोला था कि मैं डायरेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ, बट उस समय ऑलरेडी एक डायरेक्टर इन्वॉल्व थे उसमें. सो उन लोग को बस मुझे सपोर्ट करना था, उनके साथ रहना था। उन्होंने बोला तुझे इतनी पसंद है तो प्रोड्यूस कर, उसको देख। तो चैलेंज कुछ नहीं था, सेट पे जाके सिर्फ देखना था कि ये लोग कैसा कर रहे हैं, और डायरेक्टर्स ने कमाल की फिल्म बनाई है। एंड आप जब देखोगे बहुत ही शार्प फिल्म है, बहुत ही टाइट फिल्म है। मेरी फिल्मों में कॉमेडी होती है, इस फिल्म में थोड़ी कम कॉमेडी है, कॉमेडी नहीं है बट थ्रिल बहुत है, इंटरटेन बहुत करती है इन टर्म्स ऑफ थ्रिल। सो आप जब देखेंगे तो काफ़ी मज़ा आएगा, और मुझे भी एक नया जॉनर एक्सप्लोर करने को मिला अपने डायरेक्टर्स के थ्रू।
थैंक यू सर। शुरू करते हैं इसके साथ मीडिया के सवाल। यस प्लीज। चेक चेक।
Check. Hi Akshay, I'm Pranjali from India Today Aaj Tak. So my first question is for you. We know that Saif Ali Khan has been recently attacked, and by God's grace he is safe now. So what do you think that the security of the actors is being compromised right now at some level?
First of all, I would like to say it was great. लाइट भी चले गई, लाइट कम हो गई ना, क्या करें, वेट करें? चलो आओ बैठ। लाइट कहाँ है? Yes, ma'am. Again.
So Saif Ali Khan has been recently attacked.
चलिए मैं आपको बताता हूँ. It's very nice that he is safe. It's very good. We are happy. The whole industry is very happy that he is very safe. And it was very brave of him that he protected his family. And that hats off to him. And I would say, मैंने उसके साथ एक फिल्म की है, मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी, लेकिन अगली बार अगर हम करेंगे तो हम बनाएंगे फिल्म दो खिलाड़ी. Okay.
Thank you so much. The second question also, Akshay, that you just announced your film, Kanappa, which is releasing in April itself.
Ma'am, are you not going to ask about
I'll-
Skyforce?
I'll-
Ma'am, that'd be great, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
उधर दे दो, आप उधर दे दो उनके बाद. Hello everyone. Hi, I'm Gaurika from Z. I'm not standing क्योंकि वो block हो जाएगा वे. So Akshay sir, you are an ultimate action hero and you are truly an inspiration for many. Sir, आपकी फिल्मों में ना सोसाइटी से जुड़ा एक मैसेज होता है, देशभक्ति से भरी भावना होती है हर फिल्म में. So
हर फिल्म में नहीं,
मोस्टली फिल्मों में. So I want to ask you कि आपके फादर आर्मी ऑफिसर थे और आज अगर आप एक्टर नहीं होते तो क्या आप देश की सेवा में हाजिर होते?
Actually, मेरा प्लान तो यही था. I was going to join Navy. लेकिन as life, as destiny had, I got into martial art, and then from martial art into modeling, and from modeling then into being an actor. और अभी जब मैं एक्टर बना तो अगर मैं एक्टर नहीं होता, अगर मैं यूनिफॉर्म पहन के कहीं आर्मी नेवी या एयरफोर्स में नहीं होता तो आई वुड स्टिल बीन अ स्ट्रगलिंग एक्टर. ओके.
Dinesh sir, hi, Himanshu this side.
I think Maddock always tries to do unique content, and I believe that जो अभी audience है, they also want unique content. In COVID, we've all sat at home and been exposed to a lot of genres, and we want to not be. I don't think we want to become a production house which you say makes only horror comedies or only patriotic films. We want to try and do everything because Maddock is just not me. I think, you know, we have directors from all corners of India. I don't think हमारा actually Bombay से बहुत कम directors हैं. So we don't decide genre specific. We decide content specific. तो एक कहानी जो आती है, आपको सुबह उठ के ऐसे feel करना चाहिए, ये तो बनानी है. तो Skyforce ऐसी कहानी थी that it had to be told. This afternoon when we were there, we have to understand whatever is happening in society somehow reflects in films. And films should affect every man on the road positively. This film, that's our social responsibility, while entertaining, engaging. So this film does that. This film, you will not move for 2 hours. It's that, you know, Akshay sir has done a lot of films which have at that element. It's our first intent. But I can tell you, he's done so much work, but the Akshay Kumar you'll see in this film is very, very different. Very, very different. He plays a very long time gap. There's an emotional side to him, which I feel is underexplored. He has the ability to really, really affect you emotionally, and this film does that. On the other side, you know, while we were there today, you look at Veer. Veer looks like he could be one of those young boys who are just trying to, you know, fulfill their dreams and serve the nation. So I think he has played that role to the T. So I feel that कहानियाँ तो हम हर प्रकार की बनाएंगे, लेकिन there are 2 things very important. कि the decision to make the film कि आपको सोने नहीं दे ऐसी कहानी हो, and you need to find actors who do justice to the role. So when that happens, it's special. So I feel that's happened on this film.
अक्षय सर 2 सवाल हैं सर आपसे। सर एक तो सर फर्स्ट टाइम जितना इम्प्रेसिव इसका ट्रेलर है और इतने इम्प्रेसिव इसके सॉन्ग्स हैं फिल्म के, आज ही हमने एक नया गाना सुना जो जस्ट रिलीज हुआ, तो आपका पर्सनल फेवरेट सॉन्ग कौन सा है? और सेकंड वन इज
पहला वाला वो भूल जाऊंगा नहीं तो जी मेरा फेवरेट गाना है माई। हो गया, रिकॉर्ड हो गया।
ओके सेकंड वन इज लाइक हमेशा अक्षय कुमार जो है जाने जाते हैं चैलेंजिंग रोल्स के लिए, और ये स्काई स्टंट वाला जो जॉनर है ये आई थिंक फर्स्ट टाइम आपका होने वाला है, तो ये कितना चैलेंज?
कौन सा वाला रोल
सर? ये जो स्काई स्टंट जो होने वाला है, जो फर्स्ट टाइम आई थिंक आप करने वाले एयर ऑफिसर।
अच्छा, एज एन एयर फोर्स ऑफिसर आई एम फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम प्लेइंग इट। यस,
कितना चैलेंजिंग था? क्योंकि इसमें लाइक
चैलेंजिंग इसमें ये है कि देयर इज अ सर्टेन वे एन एयर फोर्स ऑफिसर वॉक्स, his posture is very different, so we had to have that and make sure that हम उसके ऊपर खरे उतरें। तो these were the few things, otherwise बाकी तो I just kept on following what my director had to say, that's it.
Hello Veer, my name is Ajay and many congratulations for the debut. My question is simple, how do you perceive cinema? What is the definition of cinema for you?
How do you perceive cinema according to you?
I think I covered that in my last answer, that, you know, cinema's first responsibility is to entertain and entertain responsibly. You know, I have 2 twins and I don't think I want a pair of twins. I don't want to make a film where they see tomorrow and they cringe. That's my responsibility. So I think as a country we get very, very influenced by films, and I think if we can use that to entertain, and you know, I feel Skyforce has the potential for you to show you that it's not a job. Being part of the armed forces is a way of life, and it's a very, very beautiful way of life is what we saw today. So if I feel that you take home, and you know, जैसे हमने जब border देखी थी हमने बोला हमें जंग पे जाना है, you know, whereas this will make you feel to that it's a family. It also shows you the side that they are there for each other. You're not going to be left. And there are a lot of people who miss family because they leave their cities and come. So they find another family, and which I think is really, really amazing.
हेलो अक्षय सर, इधर अक्षय सर, मैं जितेंद्र शर्मा दैनिक भास्कर से
जी।
मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि वीर ने इस फिल्म में डेब्यू किया है। हम लोग आपको तो देखते ही आ रहे हैं, आप सुपर कॉप भी बन के आ रहे हैं और अच्छे अच्छे स्टंट वाले रोल भी करते आ रहे हैं, लेकिन वीर का जो पहला रोल है, कितने अच्छे सैनिक साबित हुए हैं इस फिल्म के अंदर। आपको क्या कहना है इसके बारे में?
जी, बहुत बेहतरीन सैनिक मैंने देखा, मैंने फिल्म देखी हुई है। इन्होंने बहुत सटल परफॉर्मेंस दी है। ही इज नॉट गॉन ओवरबोर्ड, एंड बिगिनिंग ऑफ द फिल्म से ही इज नॉट ट्राइड टू शो कि मतलब एक हीरोइज्म से आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश नहीं की। ही इज बीन अ गाय नेक्स्ट डोर, so that takes a lot of you know, thinking and a good mind to think that I should not be go above my character. I should be, मैं अपने limit के अंदर रहना चाहिए. So that is one thing which I loved about him in the film.
थैंक यू थैंक यू
Hi, Akshay. Here. Saniche.
जी.
Hi, Akshay. I'm Akshata from Hindustan Times. So, my question to you is, what was the toughest part, like the toughest bit about shooting for Skyforce when you were shooting?
Toughest part. I think so. It was not much of any kind of tough part for me, and a little bit what toughness was there that I had to wear the helmet and do all the cockpit scenes, which was very heavy because I had to wear it from that time, and and my director made sure that it is very authentic. So 8 घंटे, we used to get a lot of neck pain. And we had to wear it, and we used to sweat continuously, and heavy jacket was put. So we were doing that kind of. That was, I think, the only toughest part.
Okay, I have another.
हाँ. ठीक है. रोज कर.
So I have another question. So recently we got to know that you were supposed to be there for Big Boss finale to meet up with Salman Khan, and he was late. He didn't turn up. So what
No,
exactly?
He was not late. I mean, say I had reached there. Yeah, he came a little bit because he had some of his personal this thing work, and then we spoke about it, and he told me that. He was about 35-40 minutes late. लेकिन क्या हो गया था, मुझे जाना पड़ गया था. So then we spoke about it, and I left, and then Veer was there to send it.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Anju from Press Trust of India, and my question is to Akshay Kumar. What made you say yes to this film? Sorry? What made you say yes to the film?
The whole story. The story was very important. It was a kind of a story which I would love to be a part of it. And the first time I remember, they both had come and we spoke about this story, and I loved it. And the way the screenplay was falling, and it is a true story. That was also another part. And I had never played an Air Force officer, so that was another part. And there was good amount of action and dogfights and all. So that was also, I had never done it. So all this combined together, that is what made me say yes to it.
Hi Veer, Vaishali from NDTV. Just wanted to ask you, Akshay is known for his discipline and he's so inspiring for all of us. How is he on set? I mean, not just his acting skills, but tell us about his discipline in terms of timings. And I mean, I've heard so much about him. How is he? And Akshay is such a big fan. You're inspiring people, so many people every day.
Ma'am, may I ask you, how many press conferences have you gone to?
Just a few.
Many of them?
Few.
कभी आपको किसी को पूछा, किसी ने बोला बहुत बेकार लगा है, मजा नहीं आया काम करके?
नहीं, but Akshay,
नहीं, ऐसे ही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. I always find this question very amusing that you sit with the other person, भले वो अंदर से कुछ भी कह रहा हो, लेकिन थोड़ी कोई बोलने वाला है. वैसे ही बोल रहा हूँ. वैसे ये नहीं बोलेगा क्योंकि हमें मजा ही कुछ और था, आया था इस फिल्म के अंदर. वैसे मैं कभी-कभी सोचता हूँ ये ऐसे इंटरव्यू देख के कि कोई पूछ लेता है, how was it working with that person? Very.
नहीं अक्षय, that was not my question. My question is आपकी टाइमिंग्स, आपका डिसिप्लिन, मुझे उसके बारे में जानना है कि
अच्छा बता दो टाइमिंग के बारे में. सॉरी मेरी टाइमिंग खराब थी इसमें.
आई थिंक जैसे अक्षय सर ने इतने सालों से हम सबको इंस्पायर किया अपने फिटनेस और डेडिकेशन डिसिप्लिन को लेके, वैसे ही उनका वो प्रभाव मेरे पे पड़ा, क्योंकि बहुत जल्दी बहुत अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग हमारा कॉल टाइम होता था और जल्दी पैकअप हो जाता था. 8 घंटे. पर सर जब सेट पे होते हैं तो वो और कुछ नहीं देखते. ही इज़ कम्प्लीटली प्रेजेंट इन द मोमेंट. और उनकी एक चीज़ है कि अगर कोई भी सीन हो, कितने इमोशनली हैवी सीन्स है इस फिल्म में, तो उन्होंने एक एनवायरनमेंट बना दिया पूरी यूनिट के लिए. ऐसे बहुत से दिन थे जहाँ पे पूरा यूनिट रो पड़ा, क्योंकि उन्होंने ऐसा माहौल बना दिया था. भले वो म्यूज़िक के साथ हो, कुछ चीज़ें उन्होंने बोल दी, एक एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट कर दिया. तो हाँ, अपना एक डिसिप्लिन और एक फिटनेस की बात तो होती है, बट एज सच एन एक्सपीरियंस्ड एक्टिंग लेजेंड, दिस इज व्हाट ही गॉट टू द फिल्म एंड ब्लेस्ड अस विद हिज प्रेजेंस. सो थैंक यू.
Hi Akshay. Hi everyone, I'm Fawzia from India News and NewsX. So Akshay, first of all, I want to say that you are very charming.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
My question is that एक्शन सीन में तो आप मास्टर हैं, लेकिन इस फिल्म में सबसे थ्रिलिंग मोमेंट कौन सा था?
सबसे
थ्रिलिंग मोमेंट कौन सा था?
Thrilling?
यस। एंड सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज?
सबसे थ्रिलिंग मोमेंट कौन सा था? एक्चुअली इसके बारे में मैं ऐसा नहीं कह सकता बिकॉज ये फिल्म देखनी पड़ेगी एंड उसके हिसाब से ही मैं बता सकता हूँ. थ्रिलिंग मोमेंट कौन सा रवि? हाँ
चैलेंज ही बता दे, सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या था?
चैलेंज था जब झूमर पे खड़ा कर दिया था इन लोगों ने. दैट वाज बिना हार्नेस के. दूसरा था व्हेन द पार्ट वेयर I, along with all my other colleagues, we attacked Sargoda, which is in Pakistan. So that was also a very thrilling part, the we picturizing the whole thing. So these are the things, ma'am.
हम लोग के सेट पे हमेशा एवरी डे कुछ ना कुछ थ्रिल होता ही था. मैं बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि जिस तरीके से सर अपनी तारीफ नहीं करना चाहते, कोई अपनी तारीफ नहीं करता है, बट मैंने देखा है उनको एकदम पंक्चुअल, फिर तारीफ ही होगी, पंक्चुअल आते थे. बट माहौल, सारे सीन्स बहुत ही ग्रिपिंग सीन्स हैं. वो सीन्स क्योंकि सर एक ह्यूमर के तरीके से आते हैं, हम लोग ने भी उनको एज अ कॉमेडिक एक्टर देखा है, और जिस तरीके से उन्होंने अपने आप को चेंज किया है इस फिल्म में, जो सटलनेस के साथ जो कैरेक्टर परफॉर्म किया है, वो बहुत थ्रिलिंग है देखने में. जब आप फिल्म देखोगे तो आपको लगेगा अरे ये बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है इसको देख के. इस तरीके का परफॉर्मेंस सर का बहुत दिन बाद दिखेगा आपको. तो वो मैं बोलूँगा कि पिक्चर थ्रिलिंग है. एवरी डे उसको बनाने में, इसको जोड़ते हैं, इसको ये करते हैं, इसको पकड़ के करते हैं, इसको इस तरीके से करते हैं, वो बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है. हर पिक्चर में फाइट, इसमें हैंड टू हैंड फाइट नहीं है, स्टिल दैट थ्रिल इज देयर, दैट एनर्जी इज देयर.
अक्षय सर, वीर, दिनेश, थैंक यू सो मच. एंड आई थिंक 26 जनवरी के हम लोग अराउंड हैं, एंड दिस इज सच अ ट्रीट. जितने भी देशभक्त हैं, और सच अ ट्रीट अराउंड 26th of January.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And we are really looking forward for this movie.
My next question is to Veer. First of all, Veer, congratulations for your debut.
Thank you.
So your debut alongside Akshay, Sara and Nimrat. How did you handle the pressure?
I mentioned this story before, but बहुत साल पहले, I think 9 साल पहले, I was with Sara in a hotel, and Sir was promoting Airlift with Nimrat ma'am, and we happened to meet them as fans. And now the world, I mean, it's a full circle when we got to share screen time with them and screen space with them. So yeah, it is very overwhelming, and God has been kind, I think, with my mom and dad's blessings. I'm here and I will continue to work very hard, put my head down like I have been for many years, and hopefully prove to all of you all that I deserve to be here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks to all the media. And
पूछ लेंगे. पूछ लेंगे मैडम.
All right.
बहुत दूर से आए हैं.
Hi, Vaishali from NDTV again. Just wanted to ask you, I mean, thank you. I want to begin by thanking you and Dinesh for bringing this to the fore, because the more we know about the defense, the lesser it is. All of us need to be reminded about how much they do for us every day. How did the idea originate, and how did you think of bringing this story to the fore?
So, Sharda, who's here, who heads content for us, sent me this script. And I actually sent Amar the script without reading it. So he read it before me. And then he was very, very moved. He was very, very moved because he couldn't believe this is a true story. This actually happened. Yeah. And, to someone, today if somebody takes something small from us, we get so upset. And Devaya didn't get his due for 23 years. And you had his family in his Air Force, someone he looked up to, his group captain, who painstakingly didn't forget him for 23 years. We forget family in 2-3 years. So I think that influenced us so much, because somewhere we've also come into this business. We're not from the business. So we've made our own little family. And, if someone went missing, what would you do? How long would you look for him? And if every fact told you that no, he's not there and he was actually not very good at what he did, what would you feel? And you still went against every logic and got him his due and found out what happened to him, And I think we're just scratching the surface. There are so many stories like that. So like you said, it's about time, but what's important is Amar has actually managed by supervising this whole film to make it very engaging. It's 2 hours, 5 minutes. The film's like a rocket. You will not get a chance to think. You'll be at the edge of your seat and you will feel you're inside that cockpit. You know, we were just talking about how thrilling it was and how difficult. There was actually a simulator made by the same guys who did Mission Impossible, in which they did all the action. So there was actual, you know, G-force on them. So they've been through that. That's why, you know, when you say thrilling 8 hours sitting in that, I don't think I could sit 30 minutes. So I feel that there are so many things in this film that make it special for us. So I hope you guys, while watching it, feel that. And if that happens, I think we'll be really happy.
Also, एक और चीज़ थी कि जब मुझे डायरेक्ट नहीं करना, मुझे प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए उन्होंने बोला, तो डायरेक्ट किया है मेरे ही असिस्टेंट ने, जो मेरे साथ स्त्री में था, बाला में था, भेड़िया में था, और वीर भी भेड़िया में वन ऑफ द एडी थे मेरे. तो ये पूरा ये 2 लोगों का डेब्यू था मेरे साथ, जो मेरे साथ ही उन्होंने काम शुरू किया था. सो मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी थी कि उनके साथ उनकी फिल्म को एक सपोर्ट देना, जैसा मुझे सपोर्ट आप देते रहते हैं. तो वैसे ही सपोर्ट मैंने इन 2 डायरेक्टर्स को दिया.
Thank you. This brings to the end of the press con. Akshay sir, thank you so much. We are really looking forward for this movie.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations and really looking forward. So this is the opportunity for the entire media. Yeah. Dinesh sir, Amar sir, thank you so much for joining us here today. So 24th January, आपके नज़दीकी सिनेमा घर. Make sure we all go for the movie. Skyforce releasing in cinemas worldwide on 24th of January 2025. And make some noise for our favorite yaar. Everyone, Akshay sir के थोड़ा शोर मचा दो यार. Come on everybody. Thank you sir. Thank you so much. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर आपका. वीर. Thank you, Veer. Thank you so much.